Toyota has announced that the all-new Toyota RAV4 will be unveiled on May 20th at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, which translates to May 21st at 3 o'clock Central Europe Time. This unveiling is highly anticipated, as it will showcase the next generation of their popular compact SUV. Based on teasers and spy shots, here's what we can expect from the all-new RAV4. Expected features of the next-generation Toyota RAV4. New design language. The new RAV4 is expected to adopt a more boxy and rugged design, with a hammerhead front-end styling similar to the latest Prius and Camry. This includes C-shaped daytime running lights, and potentially a new grille design. The rear is anticipated to feature slim, wraparound taillights, potentially hybrid-only powertrain. There's strong speculation that the 2026 RAV4 could be offered exclusively with hybrid powertrains, mirroring the strategy Toyota adopted with the 2025 Camry. This could involve an updated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, potentially offering increased power and efficiency. All-wheel drive is expected to be available, possibly standard on some trims. Updated interior. Leaked images suggest a completely redesigned interior, taking cues from the latest Prius with a more modern and tech-focused layout. This is expected to include a larger infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and potentially a digital instrument cluster. Higher quality materials are also anticipated. Same platform, enhanced space. The new RAV4 is expected to ride on the same TNGA-K platform as the current model, but with potentially increased dimensions, which could translate to more cabin and cargo space. Advanced technology and safety. The latest Toyota Safety Sense suite of driver assistance features will likely be included, along with other modern technology and connectivity options. While the official details will be revealed on May 20th, the next-generation Toyota RAV4 is shaping up to be a significant update, focusing on a bolder design, enhanced technology, and potentially a more fuel-efficient, hybrid-focused powertrain lineup. The sales are expected to begin before the end of 2025.